Hello, dear children. Today we are going to see the concept of corrosion. You have already studied it in your previous classes. In grade 10, we are going to study about it more in detail. So, the effects of oxidation reactions in everyday life. Number 1, corrosion. So, you can see something on your screen. One small image is there. What you can see over there, children? It is nothing but a surface getting spoiled or damaged because of the corrosion. Corrosion is a natural process which converts a refined metal to a more stable form, such as its oxide, hydroxide, or sulfide. So in this, what you can see, a refined metal is converted to its oxide, hydroxide, or sulfide. This is known as corrosion. Basically, the metals are reacting with the oxygen. Okay. See something very interesting. Corrosion engineering is the field dedicated to controlling and stopping corrosion. So, corrosion engineering is one of the very important and leading field in engineering where they try to control or stop corrosion. Corrosion causes damage to car bodies, bridges, iron railing, ships, and to all objects made of metal, especially those of iron. So mostly corrosion causes damage to particular things where you can find that use of metal is done on large scale. So amongst them, car bodies is one of the example, bridges, iron railing ships, and objects made of metal, especially of iron, gets corroded fast. Can you tell me the reason for this, children? It is because they are highly reactive metals. You can see on the screen, children, how this corrosion looks like. Red patches are formed all over. Okay, now let's see the next. Corrosion of iron is called rusting and it's a serious problem. So as we all know, children, that iron is used almost everywhere and corrosion of iron is called as rusting. Every year, an enormous amount of money is spent to replace damaged iron. Now, if the iron is not in a good condition, if it is not properly maintained, we can't keep it over there so that it can get more oxidized, more corroded. We don't want it. So, we need to replace it, and every year enormous amount of money is spent to replace the iron. The rusting of iron can be prevented by painting, oiling, galvanizing, anodizing, etc. So now how we can avoid this corrosion? We can avoid it by painting, oiling, galvanizing, anodizing. What is galvanization technique, children? Galvanization is a method of protecting steel and iron from rusting by coating them with a thin layer of zinc. So if you cover it with a thin layer of zinc, you will find that the metal can be prevented. So children, I hope you have understood the concept of corrosion.